Hi, welcome to Simple Food Stories. Today, we're making Chole Bhature. Phase 1. Bhature dough. 200 grams of plain flour, 2 tablespoons semolina, 3 tablespoons curd, salt as per taste, half a teaspoon sugar, half a teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, water as required. Let's take a bowl and get the flour in there and add some semolina, baking soda, baking powder. And now we're gonna mix it well. There we are, sugar and then salt. Next, we're gonna add the curd and knead lightly, adding a little bit of water at a time. For 4 to 5 minutes. Let's slap that dough, slap it for about 3 to 4 minutes so that the dough becomes soft and non-sticky. Vegetable oil. Next, we're gonna cover it with cling film or damp cloth and keep it aside for about 2 hours. Making chole masala. Cumin seeds, coriander seeds, black peppercorn. Okay, you're gonna have to read the rest from the screen. Phase 2. Preparing chole. Chickpeas, bay leaves. Okay, yeah, I'm not even trying. Alright, we're gonna take the cloth and place all the spices and tea leaves except salt and baking soda. Let's make it into a bundle. Now we're gonna place the chickpeas and spice bundle into a pressure cooker, and we're gonna add water up to 1 inch above the chickpeas. Next, we're gonna add a little salt and baking soda, and we're gonna cook on high heat. We're gonna let it cool for a bit and remove the bundle and strain the chickpeas. Let's keep the water for later use. Cooked chickpeas, onion, tomato, garlic paste, chole masala, ginger, red chili powder, turmeric, coriander powder, dry mango powder, asafoetida, dry fenugreek leaves, cumin seed on medium heat, and get some oil in there. Add cumin seeds and let it crackle. Then we're gonna add garlic and fry for about a minute. And then we're gonna add onion and fry until it becomes translucent. Again, we don't wanna overcook it. We don't wanna burn it. Next, we add coriander powder, red chili powder, turmeric, and fry for around 3 minutes. Asafoetida, dry fenugreek leaves, and fry for about a minute. We're gonna add the grated tomatoes and stir for about a minute. And then add salt and cook until the tomatoes become quite mushy. We're gonna stir it occasionally as well. Look at that amazing color. We're gonna add the cooked chickpeas and mix everything gently. Let's add the dry mango powder and the prepared chole masala. Let's mix it gently and add strained water from the chickpeas, 2 to 3 ladles. And let it simmer for about 5 minutes. To finish it off, we're gonna drizzle around 2 tablespoons of ghee. We're gonna garnish it with some ginger julienne, and there we go. Your chole is ready. Bhature. Alright, it's been there for 2 hours. Let's bring it out. And and we're gonna start kneading it lightly. And divide the dough into equal sized balls. Let's keep these balls in a lightly greased plate, covered with damp muslin cloth. Let's get a few drops of oil on a clean surface. Let's place one dough ball. Roll it out into an oblong shape. And we're going to carefully slide the bhature from the opposite side of the pan. And we're going to press it until it puffs up. There we go. And we're gonna fry on high heat until both sides are golden brown. We're gonna garnish it with some ginger julienne and chopped coriander leaves. And there you go. Amazing, amazing traditional chole bhature. Enjoy. And until next time, this is Simple Food Stories.